Hello to all of my beautiful people. I'm Brittany Michelle and welcome to my channel. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. By the title, you already know why you clicked on here, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. But before we do, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, and also turn on the notification bell so you can always be notified when I upload. Also, another disclaimer, my lace is lifted, okay? It's hot in here, and this lace, I didn't really lay it down to where it could just stay. Like, it was fresh when I did it the other day, but now it's just kind of like, all right, sis, we're tired. So yeah, if you see it lifted, just ignore it. We all know about wigs. We know it's lace. We know it can lift. I'm not going nowhere. Like, don't leave it half with your lace lifted. But I'm not here to talk about how I lay my wigs. I'm here to talk about this hair. This hair is from Amazon, and I actually got this hair almost a year ago. I have to go back and see exactly how long it's been, but it's definitely been almost a year. It's been more than 6 months since I had this hair. This is a wig that I created. I have a video, multiple videos up on this hair when I first got it. But yeah, this is hair from Amazon that's super affordable, and I still have the unit that I made. This is a frontal. And I still have a unit that I made. Like I said, it's been almost a year, so I just wanted to come back on here and just give an update. Okay, am I not looking at? I've been looking down here the whole time, and the camera right there. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at myself. Anyways, y'all, I have a new phone. I record off my phone, and I have a new phone. So, anyways, here we're looking here. Okay. God, you can tell I ain't recorded in forever because, yeah, quarantine just got me lazy as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, this hair is from Amazon. It's a year old. The name of the company that I got this hair from is called Long Yao Hair. Now, disclaimer: everybody know what's going on with Lil Roro right now, okay? And I don't know what's been going on over that way where Roro came. However, I just want to say, take precaution. I don't know how, I haven't ordered anything since all this stuff has been going on, so I don't know. I'm very germophobic. Like, I'm not playing around with this stuff. So if you are cautious about ordering from over there, then take caution. 99.9% of our products come from over there, so yeah, but that's just a little disclaimer. But anyways, the hair came from Amazon, and I just wanted to come and give an update. So as you can see, the hair, it still looks good. I mean, all I did was I washed it, shampooed it, and conditioned it, deep conditioned it. The conditioner I used, believe it or not, I used VO5 conditioner to condition the hair. It got it nice and soft, and I wouldn't recommend using VO5 again though. I would use something else. But I did use VO5 and it worked. And I just conditioned it, let the conditioner sit in the hair for as long as I could let it sit. Like, I let it sit for probably more than 24 hours. That's what I do with all my extensions. No matter where I get them from, when I'm washing them, I always deep condition them. And then I just, I didn't even straighten it. Like, I just let it air dry. And I installed the wig the other day and put some curls in it. The hair still can curl beautifully, as you can see. And it's just still bouncy. It still has movement. It still has its shine. There's no products in the hair. It still has its luster. The frontal I have was amazing. Like, the hair itself was just super bomb when I first got it. Now, the hair texture of this type of hair, it's not like a Yaki or Brazilian or Peruvian. It's more like that mink. It reminds me of mink hair. If you ever had mink hair before, that's what this texture of this hair from this company is. And I like mink hair. Mink hair is much more silkier. It's much more like, it looks like, to me, in my opinion, you can tell that it looks like it's weave. It doesn't have, it's not the most natural looking, but it still looks good as fuck regardless. But so that's how I would describe the texture of their straight hair. Is very it's like mink like hair. The hair definitely, it gets frizzier than normal than what it used to, because the hair is almost a year old. But a little cheese silk infusion, a little lightweight oil, something light. You don't want to oil your weave down, will get rid of the frizziness. I personally don't like putting product in my hair. Like, I'll just deal with the little frizziness that I see, which is not a lot, you know, but I'll deal with it before I put product in it. The hair, the frontal has, honey, I got bald spots all in this frontal. That's why you won't see me doing a lot of movement with it, because there is some bald spots from when I bleached it and plucked it, and just overuse over time of me wearing it, which is normal with any frontal. Your frontal will eventually start to thin and bald if you use it over and over and over. And I've worn this wig so many times out. Like I said, it's almost, if not a year old, almost a year. And so the frontal definitely is shedding a lot more now, and it is just balding just simply because it's getting old. But as you can see, I'm still able to pull it off. Ignore that lace lift, this is. The bundles itself, they're still full. Hair is shedding like crazy. I don't know if it's shedding from the frontal or if it's just shedding from like all over. I'm thinking it's the frontal that's shedding like this, but the hair definitely is shedding like 10 times 1,000 more. And obviously the hair is getting old. The wefts are beginning to get more weak and weak because with the washing and just me wearing it everyday use. But nonetheless, I can still pull this off. Like, sis, I know chicks who just got their hair done yesterday and it ain't looking half as good as this. I mean, I'm just saying. You see that? All I wanna do is sing and grab a pot and hit the floor. I'm just saying. I just wanna get you to see, you know, you can just come up and be like, hey girl, yes, oh my god. Yeah, yeah. So this is Amazon. I've done numerous of videos on this hair, so that's why I'm not going into depth, but I kind of wanted to come back and just give you guys an update. Do I recommend you guys buying this hair? I do. Now, after I did my review, a lot of people in the comments on my reviews were saying that they bought this hair and their bundles were very thin. My bundles were not thin when I got my hair. Also keep in mind, when you ordering longer lengths, then your bundles will be thinner than when you order in a shorter length. So you have to order, like if you're getting 20, 24, anything past 20 inches, if you're getting that, get an extra bundle so you can have that fullness that you want from the root to the end. Because if you don't, it's going to be thin. The bundles were, people were saying their bundles were thin. I did not have thin bundles, okay? I did not get paid to do this review either. I should have got paid, but I did not get paid when I did my initial review. So yeah, but I think for the price, you get what you pay for. Like, yeah, this hair is on Amazon is super affordable. You get what you pay for. You basically getting like mink hair for the low. Like it's shedding right now, sis. Let me say, I got hair everywhere. This stuff is shitty. But I can deal with some shedding for some hair that's gonna last me a year. And I can still get away with, you know, wearing it. It does get tangles. It does get tangled in the back here, the nape of the neck, where most hair gets tangled at. I don't know why all hair gets tangled back there. The heat and just, you know, you bunch it up in your clothes and get tangled back there. But just a quick little finger through and I'm good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box down below. But I definitely recommend when you do get on Amazon to purchase your hair, do your YouTube reviews. Type the hair into YouTube and see if somebody's in a review on it. Make sure it's okay company. I had a good experience with the company when I bought this hair, or when I didn't buy the hair, but it got sent to me. But like I said, I just had a good experience with the company when I initially did the review, and I've enjoyed this hair. Like, this is probably my favorite wig that I've made. This is my favorite, and I'm sad that it's coming to an end. I am very, very sad. I definitely gotta make me another one unit. I call this my club wig. This wig it just gives me life. It does. But as far as the hair goes, yes, you can see it got a little tangled up on there, but like I said, just a little quick little hair through it. I'm good. So I hope this review, you know, is confirmation for you guys to go ahead and check out the hair. I'm going to link all of the videos that I have previously recorded featuring this hair, so y'all can go check them out. This is not an in-depth review. This is just an update, letting you guys know. If I feel like it's worth taking a chance on and purchasing, I definitely do. If the hair was trash, y'all know I ain't got no problem saying it. But I do feel like this is good hair to purchase. So I hope this video was helpful. Drop some comments below if you purchased this hair. Tell me how your experience was, and if you have recently ordered from them, let us leave it in the comments. Let everybody know what's going on, so my good sisters can know what's going on. Definitely look up some more reviews, and beware when you order longer lifts, order some extra bundles, but you can do that because it's affordable. Okay. Hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. Hope you guys are staying safe during these tough times. Hope you guys are okay and well. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm trying my best to stay on top of my videos, but I am not gonna lie, I have been slacking. If you have a YouTube channel right now and you ain't pushing out videos, you're lazy. I'm lazy. This quarantine has made me so lazy, it's ridiculous. Like, literally ridiculous. Like, I'm working from home, so it's like kind of chilling. But anyway, I love y'all. Stay safe, stay beautiful, stay prayed up, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and blessed.
OT didn't trust me when I touched back down. I put whatever. Best believe that didn't know hoe on me ever. And if you fuck up this designer, I'ma fuck you up better. Little hoe can't keep.